Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Canva presentation. So Canva is an amazing platform that allows you to create various digital designs including Instagram posts, video edits, presentations, logos, resumes, and many more. Canva offers a free version with many features, but you can also opt for Canva Pro to unlock more advanced tools. In this video I will be using the free version to create a stunning presentation. So, first things first, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account, or you can log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you will be directed to Canva homepage. On the homepage, click on the search bar at the top and write presentation and then hit the enter button. And you will land on screen like this. Here you will see number of templates, so you can browse through these and choose the one that works for you. And if you want to create a presentation from scratch, then click on create presentation and Canva will open a new workplace where you can start designing your slides. On the editing screen, on the left side, designs. Here you can browse through thousands of pre-designed templates and choose one that suits your project. And next we have is elements. Here you will find lines, shapes, graphics, photos, videos, frames, and grids, and you can use these elements to enhance your presentation. And then we have text. So you can add text on your slides from here. And then we have uploads. From here, you can upload your images, videos, or audio files from your computer. Now, moving back to the design tab, here you can see we already have pre designed templates. So, select a template and add it to your canvas. Now, let's say here in this template, you only like this first page. So, let's click on it. And now you can see this first page is added. Now you want to add the other page from some other template. So for this, what you have to do is click on this plus icon at the bottom, and now you can see a second page is added. Now let's go back to the design section and look for some other template. Let's go with this one. Now let's say from this template, I want to add this page. I have added different pages from different templates. So you can also do this. Now customize the text by clicking on it and then type your own content here. And if you want to change the font, then choose the text and click on font from the top toolbar. And from the drop down, you can change the font. You can also change the text color using the toolbar at the top. And you can also rearrange the elements by clicking on them. And if you want to delete some unwanted elements, then simply click on it and then choose delete. Now let's move to the next slide. And if you want to change the background color, then click on background and select a color or an image. You can use gradients or textures for a professional look, or you can go with solid colors. Choice is yours. Here, click on elements and you can search for relevant graphics. Suppose here I want to add a picture, so I'm going to search for it. Once you find it, drag and drop the images on your slide. Now you can resize and position these elements as needed. After this, I'm going to add some text on my slide. For this, I'm going to click on text and then choose add a subheading. And now you can see the text box on your screen. So here I'm going to paste the content that I want to add, and you can see now how it looks. Now review your presentation for consistency and clarity. And once you're satisfied with how your presentation look, click on share in the top right corner and then choose download. Now choose your preferred format. It can be PDF, PNG, and then choose download to save your presentation and share it with your audience. And that's it.